Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to schedule a message in Slack, the 2025 guide. First things first, open up your Slack application and navigate to the channel or conversation where you want to schedule your message. This is crucial because you need to specify where your scheduled message will be posted. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step. Click on the message box as if you're going to type a new message. But instead of typing, click on the More Actions button that appears as three little dots to the right of the box. The reason we do this is to access the menu with the scheduling option. Next up in the drop-down menu, select Schedule a Message. This will open up a new window where you can write your message and set a specific date and time for it to be posted. This helps us because it allows us to plan messages in advance, which can be a real time saver, especially when coordinating with teams across different time zones. Once you've written your message and picked your desired time, hit Schedule Message. Here's what's happening behind the scenes at this point. Slack will hold onto your message and automatically post it at the time you've selected. And there you have it. You've just scheduled a message on Slack. Let me explain why this matters. Scheduling messages can help you communicate more effectively, ensuring important information gets shared at the right time, even if you're not available. To wrap up, scheduling messages in Slack is a straightforward process. All it takes is a few clicks and you can ensure your communication is timely and effective. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, Slack is here to make your professional life easier. So, utilize the features it offers and stay ahead in your communication game.